Hello, my name is John Lipscomb, and today I'm going to show you how to refine your results using the Show Selected and the Discard options in Matrix. Now, when you first log in, you'll start off at MFRLogin.com. So once you log in here, you'll do a search as normal using your criteria or maybe the map, and you will locate your results. The point of refining is where you have your results and you're going to decide which of those results you want to keep and which of the one of the results you want to get rid of. And there are a couple different ways to do this. So I have a matrix open right now, and it doesn't matter what kind of search you do. So I've just got some results going right now. So here are my results for my search, and as you can see, after doing my search, I have 16 results. Well, let's say after looking at the pictures of these and maybe looking at the history or some other factors here, looking at these results, I decide out of this 16 results, I actually only want to keep a couple of these. Maybe I only want to send like the best 5 or 6 or something like that to one of my customers. So I want to knock this number down. Now, this is going to be something that will be affected by if you do a one-time email or if you do an auto email with these properties. So to keep these, you'll notice here on the left-hand side there are these check boxes. Well, I can actually check the ones that I want to keep. Let's say I just want to keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these out of this total 16 right here. Notice it says checked 5 right here. So if I just want to keep the ones that I have selected, all I have to do is go down to refine down here, right here, at the bottom left. And I have an option here for show selected. So if I decide I want to approach this from the point where I want to pick the ones I want to keep, I select the ones with the checkbox, I click show selected, and when I do that, here under the refine menu, it will only keep the 5 that I have selected, which is great. So now I can take my actions here and I can email, print these, do whatever I want, my normal actions that I would do with my results. If I want to go back to my original results, you can either A, go right up here where it says original results and click on this section right here, or if you want to, you can click on the back arrow in your browser if you'd like. That will bring you back to the previous step. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just clear this out, check these here. The other way that you can actually refine your results right here from this agent single line display is you can approach this from the perspective of you want to pick the ones that you want to get rid of. Well, in that case, once I start selecting these, let's say I want to get rid of 6 of these, just keep the remaining 10, what I would do is I would select the 6 that I want, go down to refine again, but this time I would go to discard. And that would allow me to get rid of the ones off this list that I do not want to keep. So I click on discard, and the 6 checked will then be discarded off of the list. Now you will notice that when you discard, there is no original results right here. So if I wanted to go back to my previous set of results, what I would have to do is either click the back arrow in my browser, or if I actually just go right here on the undiscard button, this will take me back to the previous results. But if you want to get fancy with this, you can actually refine right from the map if you would like. Very similar to this, okay? Remember, all of these properties here have a checkbox. So when I go to the map, another way to refine using show selected and discard is something you can actually do right here from the map. So when I click on the map, you'll actually see all of the properties here. They're all laid out for me. And let's say out of these properties, maybe I just want to focus in on this area right here. So I want to pick these right here, and I want to go ahead and just get rid of everything else. Right up here, you will see you have 2 little buttons. This is how you can check the properties you want to use right from the map. So if I click on the little checkbox right here, the single checkbox, this is going to turn yellow. And when I click on that, that means I can click on any of these properties and you'll notice it will turn into a little checkbox. This is the same function as when I'm going through the results and checking the actual boxes. So it does the same thing. But now that I'm back here on the map, you'll notice you still have your refine option right here. So if I want to refine right from the map, all I have to do is check the ones I want, and then I can go to show selected, and it's only going to keep these that I have selected on the map. So it's the same function, but instead of doing it from the results screen, I'm actually doing it right from the map itself. The reverse is true if I wanted to discard these as well. So if I want to go back to the original results, remember when you do show selected, click on original results here or the back arrow in your browser. Okay. If I wanted to go through and pick which ones I wanted to get rid of, I can select all, select none here. So I'm going to select none. And then I can check the box again. And let's say I want to go through and just pick a couple of these that I want to get off the list. So I check the box here, and I'm going to go ahead and as I zoom in, check the ones that I want to go ahead and get rid of. Well, just like I would from the results display, the agent single line, I would actually go to refine again, click on discard, and that would actually take these off of my results here. And now I'm just left with the rest of the properties here on the map. Okay. If I want to go back to my previous results, this case, I would click on undiscard. The other way of doing this is if you have a certain area and you don't want to go in individually and check the boxes to show selected or discard, the second option right here, these two little check boxes, if I click on this, this will actually allow me to go in and I could just draw a box around a certain area and everything that I click on would be selected. Okay, so if I want to do this, all I have to do, we'll just do that once again and click on none here. If I click on the box to activate it, okay, I'm left clicking, holding down, making a box over the area I wanted to select the properties. And once again, that's going to be the same as though I checked the boxes right here from the results grid. And when I'm on the map, if I do it this way, I can also do my show selected and keep these, or I can click on discard and take them off of the list of results. This will in turn affect what I do with my actions. If I want to do a one-time email or CMA or driving directions, or maybe I want to do a save search or an auto email, this would actually just keep the results for me to use with my other functions in Matrix later on. Okay, so that was how to refine results using the show select and discard option. If you have any questions, please reach out to our call center, 1-800-686-7451. They're available for you Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 7 p.m., Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., Sunday, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. You can call them, email them, use the live chat option, and they will walk you through anything else that you need. So thank you for viewing this video. Have a great day.